Hey guys, we received this solar house numbers for outside use for test and try. Lighted address numbers with a separate solar panel, waterproof address signs for your kit or suitable for both horizontal and vertical installation. So I will show this to you. So as you can see, this is a solar panel that can be connected. So you don't need any power thing. These are the two stencils to put in all the numbers and the different things you can use. And also this is the main panel. So this panel have a inbuilt light that you can use to light up, which can be used through the solar panel. So this can be used horizontal and vertical. The screws and everything are provided for installation thing. So these are the numbers that you can use for your house. And the zip ties. So here if it's like 1 2 3 4, so 4 numbers thing stencil, you can use this one. If it's a 5 number thing, you can use this stencil. And then there is a protective thing on the top that you can use to cover up. So this is like you have to remove the protective covering and then you can use it. So you can see a 5 number stencil here, and you can use it for the vertical as well as horizontal and see the light effect. So you can use like 3 different type of light that can goes with the solar.